Yo, good morning. Let's see, let's get this tweeted. Live. Twitter. Let's see, I think NVDA reports today, I believe. All right. Tweet. All right, hey, let's do this. Boom. Cool. All right. Good morning, everybody. Got a lot of people in here already. I like it. And then, hold on. I hear my phone blowing up. Let me check who it is. Yeah, we're good. We are good. All right. Good morning, everybody. Again, sorry if I'm tired. I don't know what it's been, but your boy has not been able to sleep. I just haven't been able to get comfortable. I think I'm getting sick, but I don't know. Just haven't been able to sleep, which sucks. I literally just sit there and roll around. I'll fall asleep for like 30 minutes to an hour and then rolling around again. But, you know, we're still here. Might size down today just because I didn't sleep too good last night. But we are still here in the live stream for you guys. Still going to find you guys some banger setups. So, as always, make sure to smash that like button. It would be greatly appreciated, especially because I am super tired and I'm still here. But if you guys want that watch list, make sure to run it up. Nah, I won't. No, I'm not going to take none of that. No. Yeah, it's weird. I literally happened. What is today? Today's Wednesday. So since Sunday evening, I haven't been able to get a full night rest, which is pretty annoying, but we will see. Kind of feels like I got like a little stomach bug. I'm not throwing up or anything, but I don't know. Maybe it's that new variant they're talking about from Canada. Maybe it found its way to me somehow, some way. Let's hope not. But let's do this. So let's start off with ES. Well, it doesn't make me feel better that other people are feeling it, but maybe it is something going around. What did I think of price action yesterday? I mean, we caught some nice trades off of it. We caught a very nice trade on SPY to the downside. This was actually relatively early in the morning that we were able to catch it. I'm pretty sure, I forget when we took this. I think it was over here when we ended up taking it. Hold on. Pivot high, pivot low. Yeah, it was right here that we were able to catch the puts. Caught a nice move to the downside, and then we took the bounce as SPX got close to that 4,400. So two nice trades yesterday. We had the previous day's close, or the gap fill, my bad. Plus 4,400. So we were able to catch a nice move off of that. And then, yeah, let's hop right into this. Let's see what we got going on today. Then we're going to start rocking and rolling. How did everybody do yesterday? Make money, lose money, take no trades? Let me know in the chat. How did y'all do? Finally got a candle close below that, so that's not relevant anymore. High and low. Projected to 61.8 in the overnight session. Got a little fair value gap that it came up into on the 1 hour. Where's a bounce? See if we're flagging on the 4 hour. No, I mean kinda. Hold on. Let me see if NVIDIA does do earnings today. They do. The market could be slow today. If it's gonna be slow, it might just be the market waiting for NVIDIA earnings. I'll tell you what though, if it can get down towards 450, even really sell off to 442, I'd be interested in a bounce. So let's just go ahead and throw that on the list right now. Again, contracts are a little more expensive than I would like them to be, but technicals I still like a lot. So we'll throw a video in there, but head back on over to ES. Green turned red. Make sure to watch the risk management video I put up yesterday on my YouTube for the boot camp. But yeah, I mean, I'm not necessarily seeing anything of interest on ES. Actually, hold on, I lied. Big old supply zone right here. Boom. Boom. So, if anything, maybe watch a reject up there. 4427.5, 4440, and then 4453. Let's see if there's a smaller zone inside of here. Yeah, so we got a 2-hour supply zone inside of the 4-hour supply zone. Boom. Again, sorry if I'm like quieter this morning if you're just tuning in. Didn't really get the best sleep last night. This multiple days in a row. So, your boy's pretty tired. Pretty tired. But bear with me. Next, we got 2-hour instead of 4-hour. Yep. All right. So I like that area for a possible reject. Not really seeing anything else for a bounce until we get down to 43.50. So that'd be a pretty hard sell-off, but that's the only area I like. All right. Let's head on over to SPY, see if we see anything different there. Then, all right. Delete that. See if SPY hit this level. So maybe 443 for a possible reject. 445 after that. For that entire 444.3 to 445, I like that. Just, we're pretty far away from it. Still playing around with that trend line on the 4-hour for SPY, so maybe this can break down today. And if it did, we could look for more downside, possibly take it back down into these lows right there, 433. And then watch that ES supply zone. You can kind of see it on SPY right there. But after that, don't think I really have any good fibs for a while. Yeah, 428, which is way down there. 428, 431.65 could be a potential area. Yep. So 431.65 would be the area that I would watch for a bounce today after that 433, reject at 443, and then if it breaks above there, we could head into this previous support turn resistance area, right? I mean, it's a pretty large zone. So that entire area all the way up to 445, right? Come on, a little closer. We'll take it. 444.99. I'll take that. All right. So that is ES and SPY. Let's take a look at NQ. Little different on this. Already tested the supply zone. Looks like it could be an inverse head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Again, I feel like NVIDIA is going to play a huge role on this, but we got supply up here. So if I'm going to be interested in a reject, it's going to be up towards that 50% retracement plus supply right there. As far as any other fibs, I mean, there's this. No, we already broke above it. So not even that. Maybe a liquidity sweep above yesterday's high. That's a possibility. Let's see, we already broke below that. Also interested in, what is this, yesterday's low? Maybe liquidity sweep below there. So another thing that we could watch on NQ, trade QQQ off of it. And then let's head on over to QQQ. There we go. Pretty ugly analysis, or pretty ugly price action on QQQ and NQ. But reject way up there. Previous support and resistance point. So adds to the confluence, and then we also have supply up there as well. And then maybe a liquidity sweep above here or below yesterday's lows. So a couple different areas that we can watch. We'll see. But that is everything. NQ, QQQ, SPY, ES. As the market gets closer to opening around like 8:40, we start finalizing and identifying more levels. Plus, I feel like we have economic news today. Let's see what we got today. Today is Wednesday. We got PMI at 9:45 and new home sales at 10. So if you're in an open position at 9:45, definitely be a little cautious. Be a little cautious. All right, let's run through this watch list and see what we're liking, what we're not liking, and then we'll go from there. Possible 1 hour head and shoulders. Let's see. I mean, yeah, I could see it. That's not ideally what I would look for personally, but I could see it. Let's take a look at Apple. Honestly, Apple really hasn't done anything. It's kind of just sat here. Would be interested if it got all the way up to that daily 21 EMA for a possible reject. So maybe that comes into play later this week. We'll see. Price is currently $4 away, so not really interested. Airbnb, nice little bounce off that 61.8. Unfortunately, wasn't able to get that. AI kind of just chilling. Not Amazon. AMD. Again, this is really going to depend on NVIDIA and what NVIDIA ends up doing with their earnings. Plus, don't really see anything here. Very close to that daily 21 EMA. Yeah, nothing on AMD. Pre-orders for the book are more than likely going to be out this weekend, which I'm super excited about. More than likely on Sunday. Let's see. Amazon's kind of got like a little flag going on. Right there. So maybe if the market can get weak, we can look for a breakdown on this Amazon for more downside. What's the stream doing? There we go. Let's got a 4-hour squeeze. We broke that 61.8. Possibly Amazon if the market were to get weak today. So let's put that on the list. Boeing pretty much smacked that 61.8. No trade there. Baba don't care about. Cat don't care about. Coin. Don't really care about. Depends on the weekly. Costco don't care about. Google. Still really like this setup. If the market got strong, I think Google could be one to really go. But we would need a lot of strength in the market for this to go. I like that daily squeeze. I'd like to see us continue to hold above that daily 21 EMA, possibly a swing here. We'll see. So keep an eye on Google throughout the rest of the week. We do have Jackson Hole on Friday, I believe. It's either tomorrow or Friday. That's going to be a huge market mover. So if we can react bullish off of that, then definitely would be pretty interested in Google. That I'm not really interested in. Microsoft still has strength. holding up nicely with the market pulling. Plus it broke out that 4-hour falling wedge. I would say if we can get strong today, I'd be interested in Microsoft to the upside. So let's throw Microsoft on the list. And again, if you guys want this watch list, make sure to run it up to 225 likes. We got 260 people in here and only 86 likes. Remember, if you guys want it, you gotta run it up. If we hit the like goal, you guys get the watch list. If not, it's only gonna be posted inside of Team Bull. So make sure you guys are running it up. Let's see, Netflix don't care about NVIDIA. That's on the watch list today for a possible bounce. PayPal, I still really like this. Really like the weekly. I mean, I think we could see a slight push to the upside, but I don't know. We'll see. I'm still watching it for a possible swing, but it does have nice relative strength. We'll see. We shall see. Cool. All right. QQQ don't care about. Roku don't care about. Shopify don't care about. Snow reports today. SPX. Depending on if we close or where we open, 4,400 is still going to be important. So let's go ahead and put that on the list. 4,400. Or put it on the chart. Boom, 4,400. Maybe watch that for a reject. We'll see, or a bounce, depending on which way we open. SQ kind of just dead in the water, and Tesla sold off pretty hard. Right down to that retracement. 223.50. I'd be interested down there. Very close to that daily 21 EMA. Yeah, maybe a high risk bounce on Tesla. So as far as individuals, I like NVIDIA, Amazon, Microsoft, and Tesla. Those are my favorite as of today. So what time is it? It's 8:25. I want to wait like 4 more minutes before we start finalizing levels on SPY QQQ and then determining what we want to watch for the day. So in the meantime, has anybody got questions while we're just chilling? Any questions at all? Want me to take a look at Dollar General? I can do that. EG. These are earnings next week. I don't really see anything on this. Yeah, I don't have any interest on this. Even lost a quarterly 21 EMA. Yeah, I don't see anything of interest. Any questions? Yes, make sure to get caught up on boot camp for sure. Gold, GOD. Where'd everybody go? We had like 250 people in here. Now we got 150. I think I scared them away. Oh well. GOD. I mean, it really depends on Dixie. If Dixie's gonna go up, then gold's gonna go down. So let's take a look at Dixie. Looks pretty strong. Holding that 100 psychological support. Technically just a higher low on the monthly. So yeah, it's really going to depend on what this does. But right now it's strong. Remember, we used Dixie all of last year to understand when the next leg down was coming. So yeah, Dixie goes up. It's not going to be good. TLT, if this continues to go down, that's not going to be good, right? So just keep your eye on those things, macro perspective. But in short, right, Dixie going up is bad for gold. They typically do the opposite. I looked at AMD. I don't see anything there that I'm interested in. Thank you, Dylan. We looked at Boeing. Nothing there that I'm interested in. Again, NVIDIA, Amazon, Microsoft, Tesla are the individuals. Any other questions before we start narrowing? And then... boom. All right. Let's get rocking and rolling. I got something planned with the boot camp at the end of the month, trust me. And if you're a channel member, you will always have it. I will say that. If you're a channel member, you will always have the boot camp. I mean, sometimes I'll look at Forex. It just depends if I see a good setup. It could be AUD NZD, could be USD CAD, could be GBP USD. Honestly, there's no specific pair that I'm in love with. It's just, it depends on the setup. Nice. Traded a fair value gap with the good old Fibby Fibs. I mean, if you're using intraday fibs, yeah, a lot of them are going to be the best earlier in the day. All right. It's pretty much 8:30. Let's go ahead and narrow this bad boy down, finalize some levels, and get rocking and rolling. So overall, the daily looks pretty weak. We talked about this yesterday. I'd like to see one more candle either go up on lighter volume or this flip red with higher volume. Slightly elevated volume on that sell. So, I mean, we broke that supply. I'm more interested in that 43.50 for a bounce today. Possible liquidity sweep down here if we can get down there. But yeah, if I'm going to look for a bounce, it's going to be down there. Rejects up here. That's about it on it. So all those levels are finalized. SPY. Boom. All right, let's start getting this typed out. I don't know, guys. I don't think we're going to hit that light goal today. Not enough people are even in here today. I don't know what's up with that. SPY. Using yes for a bounce at, what was it, 43.50? I think that's the level. Yes, 43.50. Supply. What is that? 4427.75 to 4440. QQQ. Boom. Yeah, I mean, QQQ, honestly, I'm not entirely interested in anything on this today. There's just no good levels. So we'll just put, let's see, QQQ. Not entirely interested in this today. We'll look to see if there are any intraday setups. All right, there's QQQ. Like I said, not too interested in it. I'll see if there's any intraday setups, but not anything that sparks my interest. Again, I feel like it's going to wait on NVIDIA for the earnings. I could be completely wrong, but we'll just have to wait and see. So SPY, QQQ, let's take a look at NVIDIA. Maybe if NVIDIA does want to move today, can at least catch, some kind of scalp off of 450. So I think that is going to go on the list today. Let's go ahead and just throw it on. NVIDIA, watching for accounts at 450. 450. And 442.13. All right, there's NVIDIA. And then, let's see, do we want Amazon, Tesla, or Microsoft? Let's see, still hasn't filled the gap. A little bit of a bear flag going on there. Come back to Amazon. Jackson Hole is definitely going to be the thing that we want to pay attention to this week. Because last time we had Jackson Hole, we saw a pretty large move in the market. I think it was over 100 points on SPX. If I'm not mistaken, Savage sent me the picture. I think it was like 110 points or something like that. So that's going to be the big market mover. That's what we need to pay attention to. And that, I believe, is on Friday. Hold on, let me go back to the economic calendar. So it starts tomorrow, the interviews at 10, and then Powell's going to be speaking on Friday at 10:05 about it. So 2-day event. I'm going to say most of the volatility will probably come on Friday. So Microsoft, if the market were to get strong today, this is probably something I'll rotate to. What is that? 325.65, 326. Not enough. Maybe, we'll see. And then we had Tesla, which, does anybody know the Tesla news? Why we sell off? Let's go to Benzinga Pro. Let's see what it was. Tesla. Just says analysts says this could crash 2020, or hold on, could crash up to 35%. Oh wait, no, I read that completely wrong. Tesla's biggest risk right now, analyst says this could crash 2023 EPS by up to 35% below estimates. That's the only news I see on Tesla. I don't know. Has anybody else got different news? Looks like that's about it. Oh, Germany news? Okay. Why is Benzinga not telling me that? I'm gonna have to have a talk with them. Why are they not showing me that? Tis. All right. I mean, it's gonna be riskier, but I'm willing to try a bounce down to 223.50 on Tesla. Respected that 50% retracement. 227 could just be luck that it's holding that, but I'd be willing to at least try it if we get some bullish reaction off of it. So let's do it. And I'll tell you what, I'll make you guys a deal. If you guys can hit 200 likes today, I'll give you the watch list. I'll drop it 25 likes. So if you can get 200, we're at like 177. I will give you the watch list. Tesla. Honestly, would also be interested if it spiked below this pre-market low and then reclaimed for a possible bounce. So Tesla interested. Price spikes below 227 and reclaims. Strength or a bounce. Then watching 223.50. Alright, if I were to look for a reject. Sorry. Super tired. If I were to look for a reject, probably go for yesterday's close. I mean, say like 232.20 up to 233.20. Boom. That is the watch list. Hey, we're about to hit not the first cycle, the second one, the reduced cycle. I'll let it slide today. Liquidity. Alrighty. Boom. And we're about to hit 200. We need 3 more. I'll give you guys a watch list, and I'm going to go take a nap before the market opens. It's what we've been doing recently, naps before market. Tell you what, that's the $1 million question right there. Yeah, because you also got to think, we got the Asia session, we have the London session, all that good stuff in the overnight. So pretty much what I do is just mark highs and lows. Again, pre-market highs, post-market high lows, whatever you want to call it. Those are typically pretty strong areas that we want to pay attention to, but also sometimes in the overnight session we'll get fibs. As you can see, the fibs have already been broken, so don't really care about them. But sometimes we'll start getting some technical setups in the overnight session. Maybe a bear flag, maybe a bull flag, head and shoulders, you know, whatever it is. So that's why you want to pay attention to the pre-market session as well, because if you're not, I know traders that trade without the pre-market and post-market. It's not to say that it's not correct, because obviously if that's what works for them, that's what works. But I just feel like if you don't have the post and pre-market on, you're leaving out so much information, valuable information that we need as traders. So definitely always keep it on your chart. Always. But yeah, what time is it? 8:40. Yeah, I'll give you guys a watch list so I can go take a nap. Alrighty, so real quick, if you guys do want to trade live with me every single day, I call out all of my trades and trade them live inside of Team Bull. Plus, lots of education is in there as well. You get to trade with me, a bunch of other amazing traders. We're all on voice, and we're crushing it every single day. So if you guys want to hop in, trade live with me and a bunch of other amazing traders, make sure to join the Discord using this link right here. My Beacons link. You can find my Twitter, my Instagram, anything you need from me. You can find it all on this link right there. And then you're going to see a button that says Discord. You can join right there. So that is that. Then, hold on, I think I saw a question. Of course. Gaps happen just because of like daily gaps. Like if we gap up or down, then those are the gaps I want to pay attention to, and then SPX gaps. Alrighty. Alrighty. So as always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you could lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. Also, book number 2, the pre-orders are going up this weekend, and then the book is going to be releasing the following weekend. I am so excited for you guys to read it. And yes, Team Bull is the same Discord as Jade on Trades. That's my boy. But yes, book number 2 pre-orders this weekend, this Sunday. I'm super excited for you guys. Make sure you guys make a little note on your calendar. Make sure you guys get it. I really want to get this book to #1 on Amazon, just like the last one. We got that #1 new release. So I need your guys' help with this. It would mean the absolute world to me if we could get #1 again, because that was just such a huge milestone. I wrote this 450-page book, just put it up on Amazon, and you guys got it to #1, and that meant the absolute world to me. So just get prepared for book number 2. Again, write a note on your calendar. Get ready for the pre-orders. The New Age of Day Trading, the Ultimate A through Z Trading Guide. I'm so excited for you guys to read it. So excited. Yes, there's going to be a Kindle version. There's going to be the ebook version. There's going to be the paperback version. There's going to be the hard copy version. Plus, I got a much better line editor this time too, and he made it look really good. This one is specifically day trading, and a lot more context around the day trading. The last one, it's a mixture of day trading, swing trading, and the basics. I don't really talk too much about the basics in the second book, just because I already talked about it in the first. But it's more niche down. New information is added. Talk a lot about the fibs. You know, how to use SPX, how to use market internals, and so much stuff that I haven't talked about in the first book. So get prepared for it. I am so excited for you guys to read it. I'm gonna keep saying it. But yeah, Sunday pre-orders are going up. Get ready. Get ready. Let's see. Might be able to get it up before that. I don't know. We'll see. We shall see. But any questions before I hop off? I think I woke myself up talking about the book. Let's see. Price and everything will be up on Sunday. Everybody good? No questions? This book came out to, I think, about 350 pages. Something like that. So last one was 450. This one's 350. 325 is this one. So lots of information. Lots and lots. But cool. Well, I'm gonna try to go get a 20-minute power nap in. If you're in Team Bull, I'll talk to you guys in 20-25 minutes. Everybody have an amazing day. Let's run it up. As always, make sure you guys tap in 8 a.m. Eastern time. I do go live here on this YouTube channel. Also, make sure to check out some of the bootcamp videos that I have up if you haven't already. 31 days of videos are coming. As you can see, you know, we're at day number 22. But definitely make sure you guys are caught up, because at the end of the 31 days, these are all going to be going private. And I will say, if you are a channel member, you are going to have access to them forever. So if you're not a channel member, I highly suggest you go through and you get caught up, because when the bootcamp is over, they are going private. But everybody have an amazing day, and I will talk to everybody tomorrow.